Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful Boston whaler to show you today. This one is a 2015 240 Dauntless, powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury outboard. Comes with the tandem axle aluminum trailer that you see here. This boat just received a full detail. I will try and show you just how clean this boat is. Name of it is Comfortably Numb. You can remove that if you don't like it, or keep it. Gel coat shines very nicely on this boat. It's got the T-top, white powder coated piping. Really good looking boat. Just a quick walk around the exterior, and then I'll hop up there and show you some of the key features. Again, this is a 240 Dauntless. Beautiful boat. It's got trim tabs with LED indicators on the dash. 3-step ladder that stows away under this hatch right here. I'll hop up here, show you the rest of the boat. Nice platform for casting. You've got 4 rod holders along the back. Stern rails to keep you nice and safe. You've got cup holders, gas tank fill, raw water wash down, battery access, more battery access, 2 batteries with the selector switch. Got your freshwater wash down right here. JL audio speakers with the Fusion head unit. VHF stereo. Handheld is stowed right here. Garmin GPS and fish finder. Hydraulic steering. Tilted helm. Power steering pump assisted, so it steers very nicely. Like I said, LED indicated trim tabs here. Electronic shift and throttle. Mercury binnacle. Start and stop push button. This one has 378 hours, I believe. Yep, 378 hours. Full tank of gas. All of your switches for your pumps and lights right here. Glove box. Super clean boat. Room for life vests up here. Keep them out of the way, although you do have tons of storage. Looking in the console on our way to the bow, you see that this one is equipped with the head, the porta potty right there. Super clean in here as well. You can see the shine from the light in the porthole. Tons of room for storage. Bow cushions are all installed right now, but you can easily store those inside if you're just going fishing or if you don't have guests to come with you. But when you do, I tell you, that is a very comfortable seat right there. You've got the handrail, low profile bow rail right there. You've got cup holders. Under this center hatch, insulated storage, fish box, gas assisted shock, as well as along both sides. Insulated storage, lots of fenders, looks like flares, life vest, lots of storage on this boat. Looking back at the console seat, you pull this, you've got access to your live well. You've also got 6 rod holders on either side of it, and the tips of the rods can easily fit through here if you want to open that up. It's just some Velcro. There is a console cover that goes around the helm and around this bench seat here, which has 4 different positions. Really like that position if you're hanging out at anchor. You got people jumping off the stern, climbing up the swim ladder. and keep an eye on everybody. Or if you're cruising forward, double wide, comfortable seating for 2 people. Super clean boat. Like I said, just received a full detail. Comes with everything you see here. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2015 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.